Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we will check the amazing assignment of Sadhana workbook lesson 5 page number 98 and 100. So in this we are going to see, might have seen some pictures here. So write the causes of soil erosion. Soil erosion is nothing but the washing away of the topmost soil by wind or water. With the help of these pictures, you have to complete the chart. So here we have pictures. Here you can see animals grazing. So too much of animal grazing always causes drought. And here this is deforestation. Deforestation is nothing but cutting down of trees. Next, this is floods. Floods washing away the topmost soil by heavy rains. Next, sandstorms. So when winds blow with a great speed, the sand on the top layer will be washed out along with the direction of the wind. So these are the different causes. And in next page we are going to see what are the precautions to be taken to save the soil. Yes, see, write 3 ways where you can conserve the soil. So soil can be conserved or saved by terrace farming. This is how the terrace farming is done, mostly on the hilly areas. Next, construction of dams, afforestation. So afforestation is nothing but planting of more trees. Match the pictures with the names of animals and the places where they are found. So here on the left side you have pictures. The first picture is, yes, what is the first picture? It is called as Royal Bengal tiger. So this is mostly found in Sundarban, West Bengal. The second picture is nothing but it is Asiatic lion and it is found in it is found in Gir Forest, Gujarat. Right. Third one, if you see this picture, this is nothing but Indian wild ass. It is called as Indian wild ass. It is found in Rann of Kutch, Gujarat. The fourth picture is nothing but it is snow leopard. It is found in Great Himalayas. Next, the last picture is one-horned rhinos and this is found in Kaziranga, Assam. Next, we'll see the worksheet 1 of Sadhana, same lesson. So first one is fill in the blanks. Natural resources are very essential for the sustenance of life on the earth. Yes, natural resources all comprises of land, area, water, mountains, everything, air, all that comes under the natural resources. Forests are the home of wild animals and birds. Where do wild animals and birds live? They live in forest. Next, Indian Forest Research Institute is located at Dehradun. Right. So, Ganga and Brahmaputra Delta are the biggest tidal forest in the world. Then soil is formed when large rocks break into smaller pieces. So, here natural resources, forest, Dehradun, Ganga and Brahmaputra, rocks. These are the words which will complete the sentences. Next, here we have unscrambled words are given here. You have to scramble them with the right name of the trees. So, mahogany and rosewood. So, these are found in which forest? Tropical evergreen forest. Next, babul and kika, they are found in the scrubby regions. Next, we have sesame and sandalwood. They are called as deciduous forest. Pine and decor, they are found in mountain forest. Yes, sundari and mangroves, they are found in the tidal regions. Next, we identify the soil with the help of the clues given here. So, a sentence is given. Based on the sentence, you have to choose the right soil. It is the most fertile soil. So, which is the most fertile soil? Yes, right. It is a soil which is brought down by the rivers, alluvial soil. It is formed by the breaking up of lava rocks. So, what type of soil is formed? which is formed after the breaking down of lava. Right, that is a black soil. Then it is a red color and less fertile. So the word red color itself tells the name of the soil, that is red soil, that is very less in fertile. It is found in the areas where there is heavy rainfall. Yes, laterite soil. Next, it is found in the hilly areas and is rich in humus. Right, it is mountain soil. Now let's check the assignment of worksheet 2. First one is fill in the blanks. Eucalyptus trees are grown on large scale in dash. Where can we find the eucalyptus plants? They are found in Nilgiris. Dash soil is widespread in northern plains. Northern plains, we have plenty of rivers flowing. So obviously those areas will have alluvial soil. Dash soil cannot store water. Which soil cannot store water? Desert soil cannot store water. Next, dash and dash organizations take initiative to save wildlife. Right. National park, wildlife sanctuaries, these organizations will come forward to save the wildlife animals. Dash and dash help in soil conservation. So what ways you can conserve the soil? Yes, that is afforestation, constructing dams and terrace farming. Next we have choose the right answer. Wildlife is protected at places like, yes, where can you protect the wildlife animals? Wildlife sanctuaries, zoological gardens, national parks. Yes, all these three are the places where you can save the wildlife. The roots of the trees come out of the water for breathing. Which plants, trees or roots comes out of to take a water? That is mangrove plants. The dash soil contains most minerals which are required for growth of a plant. Yes, that is topsoil. The topsoil contains more of minerals. Laterite soil is good for dash plantation. Yes, what can you grow in laterite soil? Cashew, rubber, coffee. All these three can be grown here in laterite soil. Cricket bats are made of dash wood. Yes, that is willow wood. So willow wood is used to make the cricket bats. Now let's see the last bit of this assignment. Match the following. Yellowstone, they are found in USA. Thorn forest, they are found in Gujarat. Xerophytes, they are found in drought resistant areas. Tropical forest, they are found in evergreen. Next, Sundarban forest, they are found in West Bengal. So this is all about the worksheet 1 and 2 of your sadhana workbook, that is social studies. So hope so you all have understood, students. Thank you.